Hey guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hello guys, welcome to a new job opportunity in my channel. Today the job opportunity is from Adobe company. The job role is data engineer and location will be Bangalore. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So if you have completed B.Tech, M.Tech, MCA or M.Sc in computer science, you can apply for this opportunity. As you all know, the company Adobe is a product based company and you will get a good salary in this role if you have exposure into data domains like data engineering, data science or data analysis. So here they have provided lot of details about the role, but the focus area is the skills and the keywords which will be very important to design your resume. Some of the important keywords they have mentioned are like data pipelines, Azure Databricks, Apache Spark, Python, SQL. Also some of the roles and responsibilities they have mentioned, like what actually you have to do in this role and what you will deliver to the client and the stakeholders. Okay, so I'll recommend you to read all of these pointers and also design a resume properly which is aligned to the roles and responsibilities. Below they have mentioned all the requirements, like based on Bangalore, you need to visit to the Bangalore because it's a hybrid job model. So you need to visit to the Bangalore if you got shortlisted for this role. Bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science, strong CS fundamentals with hands-on experience in Python, working knowledge of Node.js. Also ML, LLM models knowledge is required for this role. Familiarity with Grafana, Splunk. These are some additional requirement for this role. Also if you know about Azure or AWS technologies, cloud services, that will be the added advantages. So if you did any kind of certification or any kind of knowledge you have, please do mention in your resume so that your resume will be shortlisted for the interview. Below they have mentioned some additional details and then you will get the apply now button. I will provide you this link in the video description so that you can also check and apply for the opportunity. So if you have completed your graduation, engineering or post graduation like MCA or MSc, and if you are looking for a job or job change, you can apply for this role. So that's all about today's job opportunity. If you are interested, just check and apply online, and if you have any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.